Now, your primetime local news leader, Fox 22 News at 10.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Lindsay Mills. Brian Sullivan has the night off. Spike mats and a rollover crash turning heads in Ripley this afternoon, tied to an investigation involving authorities from 3 different counties. They say the occupants were fleeing from police in a vehicle reported stolen 2 weeks ago. It all started in the Penobscot County town of Bradford. That's where this black pickup truck was reported stolen on July 2nd.
Fast forward to July 8th, Piscataquis County receives a report of scrap metal being stolen.
The responding deputy tried to stop the suspected vehicle involved. It took off and a chase ensued. Spanning across several towns, sheriff's deputies from Somerset County stepped in.
The chase ended after the vehicle struck some spike mats that we had deployed, and investigation ensued.
Heard sirens, I looked up, and the truck got sideways and ended up right in my driveway.
The driver, 26-year-old Michael Thompson of Corinna. His passenger, 42-year-old Angel Clark of Etna. Charges are likely. While they aren't known at this time, Chief Deputy Dale Lancaster says he knows one thing's for sure.
It is best for people to stop because you cannot outrun the radios.